everybody sing that shit.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Tay, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we back with another wig video, y'all. So this hair company is Myfirstwig. Wigs for beginners, y'all. So the name says it all. So I tried something different with the color. This is a Yaki 12-inch Indian hair unit. And yeah, this lace is given. I'm never going to show y'all a lace that's not given, and that it is. The hair was really soft. I love the color and what it gave, and I'm excited. So they provided me with 3 wig caps, which I appreciate because sometimes they send me the wrong color. And I'm going to tell y'all something. I love free stuff as much as the next person, but 𝗙𝗂𝘁𝗃, if I get one more comb, my drawer is full of combs. It's too much. But yeah, we went on here with obviously the lighter one for my 𝗙𝗶𝘁𝗁𝗚, and we're eating. So this is the construction of the cap. It's a lace front. So yeah, they have like these bra strap style straps, which I enjoy. Baby, when I put this on, Tyler Perry. Yeah, this is a Tyler Perry production wig. It's very cute, but I'm gonna tell y'all something. I have a big head. Yes, you see the shock on my face. I have a big head, and sometimes when I look at bobs on like smaller head girls, like somebody with like a cute heart-shaped face, it looks different. But that's okay, because we're gonna make it work. When you see a nigga reading the instructions like this, you know what that means? That means we're trying to figure out what's going on. So yeah, everything is right. This is 12 inches. I'm gonna tell y'all something. I should have known that 12 inches just wasn't gonna eat on my head, but I'm not gonna say it because it's gonna eat, because we're gonna make it eat, because that's what we do. It's gonna eat. I just don't really like it that short, but y'all know what wig glue I use at this point. If you are new here, it's the even stuff. I appreciate the clips that they provided so it can go on, slick it on my face. So yeah, y'all know the situation. We're gonna slide it back, spray it on, let it get tacky, and put it up. The facial expressions that I'm making in this video are reflecting the fact that I am tired of wigs, y'all. Y'all know what happens, and I'm tired. I'm about to get my locks back. I went to go use the little thing to hold it down, and there was no Velcro, and that kind of, made me mad, but that's beside the point. But yeah, like the wig game, boy, is getting exhausting, y'all. I'm getting back on my Zoom with my locks, y'all. But yeah, as far as this wig, I actually do like it. It's gonna end up cute, I promise. Stay for the process. And if you notice, you probably looking like, girl, why is it so far down? I didn't realize that in the moment. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and cut the lace. Like I said, I have no method. These are paper scissors. But get into, look at this. This is no plucking. I didn't know plucking. I swear to God. This is pre-plucked, how it came, and it ate. It ate. Like, I don't know how to pluck a wig to save my life. So this is the type of things that I need. Like, come on now. So we're going to go ahead and cut the lace around the perimeter on both sides. If you want to find somebody who's an expert and figure out some sort of method to do it different, then that's fine. But this ain't steer me wrong yet. So nothing fancy, girl. Just go and get that lace off. Cut it as close to the hairline as possible. And it's going to give what it's supposed to give. 𝗙𝗂𝘁𝗃, like, don't let nobody tell you nothing different. So yeah, actually, somebody might tell you different. It might be better. But besides the point, this is where I realized my lace is too far down. It's not eating. Why is my lace about to touch my eyebrows? So I went on ahead and pulled it back off camera and did the same process. And this is just me straightening it. So, of course, the hair is straight. But y'all know with straight hair, it comes in a bag, 𝗙𝗂𝘁𝗃. Like, it's going to get a little, bump in it. So I'm just going in with the flat irons. You're going to tell on my face soon, I have hair hurt. And y'all know what hair hurt is. Like, you start doing your hair, it's not eating how you thought it would eat. And you want to cry. You want to punch a wall. And you're going to see it on my face in a second. But basically, I'm going around and I'm just like, no particular method, just straightening the wig around. This color, though, is really giving. But yeah, I felt like an auntie, to be honest. Like, I was getting a little frustrated, but I was trying to trust the process. But it's hard to trust the process when you the one doing the process. Is that making sense what I'm saying? But yeah, so we just straightening it. So when you get the unit, it's a straight wig, so you don't gotta straighten it in sections. Like, yeah, just do what it need to do. So here comes the frustration in 3, 2, not yet. Yup, there it is. There it is. When I start flat ironing real hard, that means I'm frustrated. So yeah, we're gonna go into the other room and figure it out. So when in doubt, put on some makeup. I'm not gonna do the whole montage because that's not what the video about. But yeah, so I also didn't have my hot comb, but this does the same thing, kind of, sort of. So I'm just trying to get the front of that joint flat. And yeah, you just, at this point, this is when you start praying for the best and hope that a little concealer, foundation, and mascara will put it all together. So this is the result. I feel like it's cute. Like, I had to test it by taking a little Instagram video with a filter, because one thing about a flitter, it's going to make it eat, period. No matter how dusty you feel, it's going to eat. But this wig really is good. Like, I will recommend it for like a heart-shaped face girl. And some people said it was cute on me. So, you know, I'm just criticizing myself. But I did like the wig and I would wear it again. I probably would curl it next time. But yes, the color eats, the lace eats, all of that. Like, come on now. Nobody can tell me nothing. Like, I was posting all this. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably saw these posts already. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this quick and easy video. This is probably one of my last wig videos, but thank you, My First Wig, for sponsoring this video. All of the links will be in the description, along with the length and all that. So love y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Let me know if y'all get it. Bye.